Hello! So today we are creating artwork out of rocks, and I want to use this as an example. I have done this with like those little rocks that you use in like a garden and stuff, and I've created ghosts and like stuff for Halloween decorations. But my premise today is building off of the fact that we often talk about using our bodies, specifically our feet and legs, as a strong pedestal when we're doing our dance work, like pirouettes and whatnot. I want you to get a rock, just an average garden rock, and we're going to create something a lot less spooky than this. This is just something fun for you guys to see the different designs that I've done. So we're going to start with just a plain old rock. I cleaned it so it would take the paint better. And the rock is going to be something that I want you to be able to see and keep it as a memento so you have a reminder of when things get tough, you are the rock. You are able to have a strong foundation and you can weather whatever storms come your way. Be it the fact that right now we can't really be with our dance friends or in the dance studio, but something to remind you why you dance and that you're going to be able to come over all of that. This was just our general design that I did for things that I was thinking of where I am epic. And I think each of our dancers are too. So I want you to get creative, paint as much or as little as you want. Some of those ghosts at the beginning were also painted with the glow in the dark paint. So have fun, keep dancing, and use this rock as your inspiration to just keep powering through all of this. I will see you tomorrow.